In the cheerful, bustling town of Sunnyside, nestled between whispering forests and shimmering streams, a little red schoolhouse stood as a beacon of knowledge for the eager minds of Sunnyside Elementary. The walls of Room 5 were lined with bright posters and shelves bursting with books, fostering a playful but earnest atmosphere where learning was both a delight and an adventure. One sunny Monday, Mrs. Ella Raw introduced her class of spirited third graders to a new project titled Kids Learn, a journey meant to encourage self-learning through exploration and creativity. The children buzzed with excitement as Mrs. Alara outlined the framework. Each student would choose a topic they knew nothing about, research it, and then share their discoveries through a creative presentation. Sophie, a soft-spoken girl with a crown of unruly curls, chose volcanoes. Fiery mountains intrigued her with their mysterious powers. She spent days absorbed in books and building a small model volcano, her eyes wide with fascination, as she learned about tectonic plates and eruptions. Meanwhile, her classmate Jake, who always had a question for every answer, decided to uncover the secrets of the deep sea. His desk became an underwater realm with handmade coral reefs and colorful fish, all hovering around a cardboard submarine. As the presentation day dawned, the air in Room 5 was electric. Sophie's volcano erupted, causing a collective gasp, followed by an eager chorus of cheers and clapping. Jake took his peers on an imaginary submarine ride, navigating through his deep-sea world with vivid stories of Meister IOU's aquatic creatures and shipwrecks. Mrs. Alara watched with pride as her students shone with confidence, their presentations not just displays of facts but vibrant stories of discovery and learning. In the heart of Sunnyside's little red schoolhouse, each child learned not just about volcanoes or oceans, but about their capacity to explore, understand, and explain the wonders of the world around them.